Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Guys, super fun weekend just hanging out and watching the charts. This has been, I know this looks bad, guys. I know this looks bad, but this is very good for everybody who's following the channel here. You guys automatically won the Bitcoin trade. I will be going over that, but you guys did get picked up right down here at the very bottom again, and I'll prove that to you guys if you're following us. And guys, this held true, pushed in the top red section of the trend exhaustion. I mentioned to you guys in the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, if you guys watch this and the price goes down and it ever comes back up, this is a stronger sign we're going to see it move back down. So I will be covering that today. Metrics, indicators are holding true, guys, and you got a ridiculously good position on here if you guys are subscribed. So real quick, if you guys are not over here, oh, by the way, I added a profit section. So you guys can just look at a bunch of people's profits. These are all the people who have our indicators or our subscription. Just crazy. $1,000 made there, so on and so forth. $24 here, $500 in 12 hours, $1,800 on. It's just insane. I'm going to keep this updated so you guys can watch that. Let's cut to the chase here in this video. This is $49 a month. You guys get access to all of the metrics I'm going to show you guys today for Bitcoin, as well as all the other coins here. And I'm going to be going over the live trade for Bitcoin today so you guys can get into this trade right now, okay? Don't miss this trade. We're going to go over the emotional index. We're going to go over the long versus short trades, the long versus short trade risk, well and institutional smart money, which did end up predicting the drop, guys. This ended up predicting the drop right here, okay? Support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and then the exit points. And we are in a official golden cross. Okay, let's dive in. Let's make this fast. Let's get to the point. All right, the last trade that was on here, we already won this. You guys know that. We ended up entering in here at 46,131. We exited 50% at this mark here for 3.52, and we put a stop loss here so we could guarantee ourselves a winning trade on the channel. All right, let's take this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. All right, does anybody know where the actual buy limit was that all of our traders got picked up on? Well, if you don't, let me prove to you guys exactly where it is, because I'm going to show this to you. I'm going to reveal this to you on the chart. If you click here, I've been showing this to you guys all last week. The entry we were waiting for was 42,626 and 2 cents. So 42626. 42626. Let me take this off right here, and I'm going to mock this up for us. Let's get a horizontal line out here. We're going to go horizontal ray and 42626. 42626.02, I believe. Yeah, that was it. And this is going to be the first. This is the buy limit. Buy limit. And this is live. Okay. So you guys who had your buy limits in here for those few weeks, you did get picked up down here. If you guys go to the 1 minute time frame, this is the 4-hour chart. Plenty of you guys got picked up on this, so great job for those of you guys who simply were subscribed. You're following our trade setups over here, and you got into that trade. This has literally been sitting here for about, I would say, 4 or 5 days. I know I don't update the buy limits a lot, guys. It's because I was waiting for the market to drop, and you guys all got in here. So congratulations. This is what you need to do. Your first buy limit got hit. Make sure you have your other 3 buy limits set up underneath here in case we start crashing faster. And just like you guys have been following, now that your first buy limit is hit, go ahead and set up your sell limit at 52,836, all right? And then follow me on this channel here, because I am going to be looking to take a profit when the trend exhaustion gets back up here. So let's go into that and then the metrics. Currently, you guys, congratulations, you are actually up at the moment. Let's see what we're up with percentage-wise. 3-4%. Yeah, looking around 3% here is what we're up at the moment. So you're currently up 2.50% on your first long trade. This is such a good trade, guys, because you have 3 buy limits below this that you guys are going to be able to enter into. Good job for everybody who did not FOMO into this, and you guys didn't try to get in at the very top. You were waiting and you were patient. You did not get in up here. You guys waited to get down at the bottom prices. So great job again. Okay, the trend exhaustion, guys, what's the day? Today's the 20th. You have 10 days left. In 10 days, the trend exhaustion is going up in price. Okay, watch this. If you look at the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion, I showed you guys last week how we can call huge drops or huge pumps in the market. Let me refresh you guys' memory. I said this: if we see the trend exhaustion, okay, or the price versus the well money flow head up into the top section here, we are expecting to see drops just like this. But I also said, if you see a drop and the price actually goes back up higher very soon after, that is when bigger drops are going to happen. Literally, the metric was perfect at calling this formation on the charts. I've shown this to you guys so many times before. Even right here, this was actually the example I used, is when we pushed in the top red section here, we got straight up. This was the call right here. And what happened, it actually overextended itself, and we saw the fastest drop in Bitcoin all year. Guys, this metric, if you're just watching when it gets in the top red section, this is when crazy drops happen. And this is why I really do believe you guys need this on your charts, because it is calling drops. The other thing I showed you guys was this call over here when we got to the top red section. Yes, we did end up seeing a move back down, but I mentioned if you see a move down and it goes even higher, please watch out, because that's a sign it's going to go lower. Do not buy into these pumps. Like, this not only is calling the tops and the bottoms of cryptocurrencies, it's also calling fake outs. Like, this is a bull fake out to the upside, and then it dropped back down. It held true this time. It held true this time. It held true that time. And then, if that's not enough, if you guys are looking at when it heads into the bottom red section, this is actually when it's calling the bottoms before we head back up. Literally called the bottom right here. Watch this. I'm going to show you guys both directions on this. This called the bottom here. Right there, looking for a move back up. We saw the move back up, it overextended itself, and then saw a huge move back up afterwards. It is so ridiculously accurate if you guys are watching this on your charts, and it's calling the move up there. Why do I say that? Let's move to the current price of what we're looking at. We are sitting literally at the lowest point I have ever seen the trend exhaustion at the bottom here. We are literally sitting at 0. So what happened right when we got down to this very, very low point? We wicked down very fast and we started to see moves back up. So yes, Bitcoin is moving back up right after all of our traders got into their long trades. Could Bitcoin head down a little bit further? Yes, it is possible, and I will be covering that on this video, but let's take a look at the metrics now to figure out what the heck is actually going on and were we able to predict this drop, most importantly. So guys, biggest thing, go over here to your indicators tab, or this is in the description as well. Here is the trend exhaustion. It is going up in price in 10 days. There's the price for swell money flow, the dashboard. Get the bundle pack. It literally is the best deal. I'm not going to be raising the price of this, but I am going to be raising the price of the individual indicators, so you will get appreciating value on your purchase as time goes on if you just get the bundle. So I just want to leave that there so you guys understand that. Okay, let's take a look at the emotional index. This is looking at Sunday, because we're obviously at Monday right now. Sunday, we barely pushed into the excited area. I'm going to put a block on here, okay? When you guys see traders getting excited, what have I told you guys time and time again? When traders are excited, this is where wells and institutions are going to be shorting the market, okay? Where were they excited? Right here. Okay, this candle bar right there pushing up barely into the excited area is where Bitcoin pushed up into the excited area right here. Did our metrics call this? Yes, it called it with the indicators down here, but it also called it with this formation. Watch this. Emotional traders getting excited, follow me straight down here and go to the well and institutional smart money. What have all of the institutions and smart money been doing the last few days? Accumulating short trades. This is why I show this to you guys before the metrics come out, because they perfectly called this drop. There was not a single metric bar going long on our metrics here. Do you guys want to stay safe and literally stay on the side of wells and institutions? I'm proving it to you how you can do this. Hopefully I'm not like too much for you guys this morning. I'm just excited. Like, we have traders making so much money, and like I don't know, this might be too much for you guys, but like literally every morning when I get on the videos, I ask God for wisdom and discernment. It might seem weird to some of you guys. I'm like, God, I need wisdom and discernment today to get people into these good trades and get myself into trades so we can make money. Like, you guys literally got picked up at the rock bottom for Bitcoin. And if this thing starts shooting up from the bottom here, a ton of bull momentum gets back in, heads to structure high, you guys are looking at 14% profit. Like, watch for calls that I make to exit, but it's been so fun to be able to get in here and trade with smart money, because look at this. There was not a single person going long. Guys, our long trade, we went long back here when the smart money went long. You guys know that if you watch that channel, and we exited at the top up here with that 50% that I showed you in the beginning of the video. What we didn't do is we didn't enter in right back in. We followed the metrics over here, and you guys got in at that 42,600 whatever mark I just showed you guys. This called the drop, okay? So watch that carefully. Let's go down here. Long versus short trades. I don't want to do too much in the market right now for this. I want you guys to watch what happens this morning of what this metric looks like, because it's going to be pretty drastic, okay? But if we watch this, guys, we saw a little bit of the consolidation here of the market kind of just going a little bit sideways. And actually, long trades, if you zoom in here very closely, you will see that long trades dropped out a little bit over the weekend. I wasn't able to do video. I don't do videos on the weekend, okay? Just show you that to you guys. We did see a little bit of a decrease of long trades, all right? And short trades actually just saw a little bit. If you guys scroll in here, it's like a tad bit of a jump here for short trades, okay? So just a little bit of a tad bit of a jump here, and long trades heading out, which actually is, as funny as it sounds, it is a bearish sign. When you see short trades increase just a little bit and long trades decrease while price structure is going up, that is a sign that the market cannot keep going up because there's no money to force it up. It's actually putting more pressure on the market to move back down. Okay, long versus short trade risk. This is where we were sitting at. Wait for this to update in the morning. Again, yesterday, there should not have been any trades that you guys were taking. Sorry. There shouldn't have been any trades you guys took. The metrics said do not take a trade. What was the best thing to do? Guys, get your membership, come over here to live trades and set this trade up right now. Like literally, if you guys want to get in here, I know some people are going to do this, so I just want to voice this. If you guys want to market order in right now, that's okay. You can market order in if you miss this. But what I want you guys to do is make sure your second, third, and fourth buy limits are set up. And yes, I will be updating these lines. So make sure you're over here with your subscription so you can follow this. All right. Taking a look at the metrics here, and let's finish up on the chart over Bitcoin. This is like so exciting. Great job. Great job, guys, for being patient and not jumping in, and you guys are doing so well. All right, as this was moving down, where was I looking at the catch point? It was at 44,600, right around that area. So if we look at 44,600, that also held true. The metrics we're looking at that as a bottom spot for the head back up. It's exactly where we headed, and then we're bouncing up from there, okay? Where could we go if Bitcoin starts moving back up? Well, we have to break the resistance now, which is at 48,000, basically 700. So 48,700 puts us right up here at the top mark. Obviously, that structure high that I already showed you guys, okay? So let's just watch that. Looking at this, dollar cost average entries, this is going to call the bottoms before we move back up. This is long-term hold, guys, okay? This is seriously like hold 5 to 10 years and you're going to be fantastic, all right? So as this price goes down, it's not always going to get you guys into the lowest prices, but there are a lot of people predicting. I just saw an article yesterday my brother was sharing with me, $85,000 for Bitcoin before the end of the year. I've seen a $100,000 prediction. I've seen a $150,000 prediction. If Bitcoin actually follows suit and it does skyrocket up, this is a very good move back down for all the big money to get their dollars into Bitcoin before we start seeing any type of, it's not parabolic, but I mean, mock up $150,000 on your chart. It's way, way, way up there, okay? So if we're going to see a big move in Bitcoin, this is a very good time to be getting into these tokens, okay? And these coins. Bitcoin, this is just basically saying, guys, watch out. This is basically called the huge drop up here. And now we've seen this lower high formation, and now we're seeing the lower low. Called the top perfectly here. And yes, we are in a golden zone for the basically the 50 and the 200 moving average. So guys, these metrics are literally going to save you guys so much. If you're just taking trades and you're like, all right, I need a metric to tell me what side to stay on the market. Nobody should have been taking long trades. Everybody who took long trades in here got wrecked like crazy. I know, because there was a pump right here of people looking for this higher low formation and a breakout right here. Everyone got killed on this, and they're holding their positions, and it's just dropping out like crazy. Like this was a total of, I'm going to end the video after this because I'll stop this and I'll set you guys up with everything you need. But like, this is almost a 13% drop. 13% drop in here. That's like insane how fast the market went down. But great job for all of you guys who won the last trade and you guys had your buy limit set up. Guys, if you're not set up on these other coins over here, I highly recommend you guys get your buy limit set up for Ethereum, Dogecoin. Like Dogecoin is super close to being hit with the new metrics this morning for the trade. If you guys love Dogecoin, getting them almost at like rock bottom prices as you dollar cost average on that. Cardano, incredible trades. Yes, we got triggered into Cardano. I'm going to cover that today. Guys, all of these coins are on discount. Get over here, sign up. I'm sorry, I don't want to be like forceful, but like, guys, people are doing insane over here. I mean, $60,000. You guys can find that in here. And it's just $4,000 to $5,000 based off the metrics. I had, Derek make $5,500 just off the trend exhaustion alone last week. And it's just insane. I have another testimonial I'll be adding to this probably today or tomorrow. Like, this is so fun. It's just fun, guys. This is the guy right here who made $60,000 with our metrics. So come over here, sign up for your subscription, make sure you have your buy limit set up for all of your trades, and then follow me on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll keep you guys updated. The trend exhaustion, the price versus the one money flow, and the trend dashboard is in the description. Make sure you guys do get that because I am raising the price of the trend exhaustion in 10 days. That's all you guys have is 10 days, and I'll be raising the price. Watch for the springboard bounce back up, which has been predicting, and it's already happening live for us. Also, the money flow, which is in green here, is at the very bottom. This is when I expect to see this market start to turn around a little bit and actually start to see people make some gains and maybe take some profits. Congratulations, guys. Such a good job for getting in at the bottom buy limit, and you guys are currently in the profit, 2.84%, and I'll keep you updated. Everything you need is in the description, guys. God bless you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.